Okay, so we are actually heading back, and it's really beautiful. The sun is about to set as well, and it's really nice. It's windy now, so it's about to get dark in about like 1 and 2 hours. 2 hours probably it will get dark, and okay, so I just need to we just need to get down. But it's still beautiful. I mean, if you just look at this, I wish I could live here forever. That's not possible, of course. Right now we're just walking down, and there you go. I'm actually really excited. I was really excited about this trek, and I'm really happy that I finally did it. And of course, many more to come. This is just the beginning. All right. I think the snow here actually stays for through all seasons, I think. I'm not sure. Don't think so. The snow here melts ever, and every now and then it snows. Like I think it snowed here last week. It snowed. This is of course the highest peak, and this is about 13 or 14,000 feet, this one. And now we're going all the way down there. We actually lost Judith for some time. She's there. There she is. She came on her own. I think she took that way across, and down there, that's the town that we need to go to, and it's about I think it's about 10 kilometers down from here. And of course we'll walk like 5 kilometers down, and then from there of course we'll take the car. Final view before we go. There you go. Beautiful. The sun, the mountains, the snow, wind, nature. I think that the clouds there. It's going to rain probably or snow up here. It can snow anytime, so all right. Beautiful. Amazing. I mean, I just wish that I can come here again and again, like every year, but that's not possible, of course. But surely come back here sometime. Have other places to be, of course, other places to see. Look at the snow, it's still there. Okay. Right. And I've got some music going on in the background there. Some music always helps. Okay. So just going down that way. I think it just looks a bit scary, but it's fine. I mean, if you're used to walking through the hills, it won't be that difficult. But of course, no one wants to fall here. Looks like this was a tree, probably sometime in the past. Looks weird. I'm not sure what that is. Okay. All right. To go back. Okay, the view from here. Okay, beautiful. And I'm here. Just want to keep up with those guys. They're quite fast. We were actually thinking about putting a camp here, and like we wanted to stay overnight, but I think it'll be too cold and we're not carrying like warm clothes as well, so that's not happening. I think I've caught a cold here. It's too there, so it's not a beautiful spot on our way down. The sun now is about to set. Just thought so we were right up there in those mountains. Now we're coming back, of course. What?
We have to go down the other way.
Right, alright.
Just curious about the field. What they
She's
were
going
going
back.
Okay.
So we actually have to go down this way. So, about to reach the village or the town. It's like 5 more minutes. It was really, I'm actually okay, so I'm actually exhausted right now. Oh, still the views, I'm just going to show you around. There you go. Yeah, okay. I think I need some rest. I'm going to rest in the village, and it actually looks beautiful from here. Okay, I think we have to go this way. Okay, there you go. Nice! Whoa! Good job. There you go. We're on a live. We're happy.